Hi friends, my name is Jessica and I work at the Baltimore Museum of Industry. Congratulations, you've got yourself a Lights On City kit. This kit has a whole bunch of lessons in it to help you learn about communication and light communication. The first thing in our box that we need to check out is our activity packet. This packet has 3 different lessons for you to learn about communication. The first lesson takes you through different questions and pictures that talk about the different ways that we communicate and how we communicate. The second lesson talks about Morse code, and you're going to watch a video about Morse code and then practice doing Morse code using the flashlight in your box and practice using SOS as the Morse code message. Then the third lesson gets seriously hands-on, and you're going to create your own light communication device. You're going to start by using the supplies in your box. We're going to create that device from the box that your activity kit came in. You should have in your box that flashlight, a large push pin, a black piece of construction paper. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by drawing a picture of what you would like to communicate. Now, the simpler the drawing it is, the easier it is to communicate what it is across a long distance without using words. I drew a boat, and you can see it's a very simple picture of a boat. Once your drawing is done, you need to find a piece of cardboard, and you can find this from any kind of box you have in your home. What you're gonna do is you're gonna place the black construction paper over the cardboard. And in order to have the light shine through to tell what our picture is, we have to poke holes along our lines. So we're gonna take our push pin and poke holes along the line of what we drew. Be careful using the push pin, it can be a little sharp. Once our holes are poked through, the next step, you need to find an adult. An adult needs to help you cut the hole in our communication device. So the adult should start by taking the flashlight and tracing the circle of the flashlight along the short edge of the box. So that way you know how big the hole should be to cut through it. Then the adult will take scissors or a knife and cut that hole out. So that way we can put the flashlight through the hole and only let the light of the flashlight shine through. Next, after the hole is made, you're going to tape that picture that you drew over the opening of the box. And so it's going to cover almost all of the opening of the box. Now, to test your communication device, find a friend or a family member and go into a dark room. Have them stand across from you, and you're going to put your flashlight in the hole and turn it on, and they should be able to tell what your picture is without using any words to tell them. And there you have it. Your light communication device is finished. Now friends, the important part about this activity box is for you to have fun and for you to learn a little bit about light communication. And I hope we helped you do that. Thanks.